1.6 meters. I repeat, what is the net force acting on a 52 kg object that has a velocity of 17 meters per second and is moving in a circle of radius 1.6 meters? Your time is up. Give us the answer, Fanta Strawberry.
14.4.
You missed it. The floor? Yes, somebody's hand is up. 9? 9.4 kilonewtons. Yeah, that's correct. Clap for him. All right. That is 9,392.5 newtons. All right. So we move to the chemistry question, and this goes to Fanta Strawberry. A residue was added to dilute HCl and warm. A colorless gas with the smell of a rotten egg was given off as observed. What could you conclude out of this? I repeat. A residue was added to dilute HCl and warm. A colorless gas with the smell of a rotten egg was given off as observed. What could you conclude out of this? In other words, what's your inference?
The gas is ammonia.
The gas is ammonia. Good try. Good try. The gas is not ammonia. You would like to attempt again because you still have some seconds to go. Within the same 60 seconds still. You have some few seconds to go. If you can give another attempt. Discuss among yourself. Discuss among, talk to each other. Feel free. Talk to each other. Yes. What is the answer? What do you think the answer is? Talk to each other. That's why we paired you. Feel free. Yes.
The gas is hydrogen sulfide.
Hydrogen? Sulfide. Sulfide gas.
Yes.
Are you sure that is the gas?
Yes.
That's the gas. That's correct. You see, if you talk to each other, you get the answer. 2 points. It's a hydrogen sulfide gas. Okay? That's present. In a particular experiment, Fanta fruit cocktail, sample C plus distilled water, filtrate plus litmus. It was observed that the sample partly dissolved in water and there was no color change. What inference can you draw from this? In a particular experiment, sample C plus distilled water, filtrate plus litmus, it was observed that the sample partly dissolved in water and there was no color change. What inference can you draw from this? Your time is up. Fanta Strawberry, give us the answer.
C contains soluble and insoluble salt, and it is neutral to litmus.
It contains
soluble and insoluble salt.
It is neutral to
litmus.
All right, give them 1 point. I'll accept that simply because neutral to litmus is there. All right, but it's soluble and neutral to litmus. All right, so that's correct. All right, C is soluble salt and or a filtrate is neutral to litmus. So once I have that neutral to litmus, because the litmus, there was no change. There was no change. So that's correct. No color change, it is neutral. It means that the filtrate is neutral. So once that answer is stated, I accept, and then you score 1. Biology question goes to Fanta Strawberry. The number of individuals in a habitat in relation to the unit space available to each organism is referred to as, I will repeat it again. The number of individuals in a habitat in relation to the unit space available to each organism is referred to as A, density, B, birth rate, C, dispersion, and D, mortality. A, density, B, birth rate, C, dispersion, and D, mortality.
Density.
Density is right, 2 points. Which of the following limiting resources is competed for by organisms in the desert? Fanta fruit cocktail. Which of the following limiting resources is competed for by organisms in the desert? A, light, B, temperature, C, water, and D, oxygen.
Water.
Excellent, 2 points. Give them 2 points. Now, before we proceed to round 3, let's visit the Gambega section. And this question goes to St. Francis. St. Francis, which security company guards Gambega Limited premises? Which security company guards Gambega Limited premises? Can you give us the answer or no idea? No idea. All right, then thanks for saving our time. Fanta fruit cocktail, give us the answer.
Tiger Watch.
Tiger Watch, that is the correct answer. Tiger Watch security. Give them 1 point. St. Joseph's Fanta fruit cocktail. In which liters are the Bon Aqua water bottled? In which liters are the Bon Aqua water bottled?
Zero 0.5 and 1.5 liters.
0.5 and 1.5 liters is correct. 2 points. And that has taken us to end of round 2. We allow our able madam to give us the scores.
In round 2, St. Joseph's Senior Secondary scored 7 points and St. Francis scored 7 points as well. That brings the cumulative totals to 13 points for St. Joseph's and 17 for St. Francis.
Thank you very much, madam. We now proceed to round 3, and this question goes to Fanta fruit cocktail. A sector of a circle of radius 7 cm has an area of 44 square centimeters. Calculate the angles of the sector correct to the nearest degree and take pi equal to 22/7. A sector of a circle of radius 7 cm, 7 centimeters, has an area of 44 square centimeters. Calculate the angles of the sector correct to the nearest degree. Take pi equal to 22/7.
(102.9 degrees).
To the nearest degree.
103.
Excellent. 2 points to St. Joseph's. 103 degrees right. Fanta strawberry. A cylindrical container closed at both ends has radius 7 cm and height 5 cm. Find the total surface area of the container. Take pi equal to 22/7. A cylindrical container closed at both ends has radius 7 cm and height 5 cm. Find the total surface area of the container. Take pi equal to 22/7.
528.
520 square centimeters.